spacious living and dining area. You can enter your kitchen area, you can check out the beautiful interior work. Once you enter, you can check out the beautiful master bedroom. Phoenix Group proudly present its most iconic creation yet, Phoenix Kasaku, the epitome of luxury living in Bangalore. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are here to check out their sky bungalows. But before moving further, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. This is the real masterpiece of Bangalore, as Kasaku means the masterpiece in Japanese, as this is the Japanese theme-based project. Now before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the tower. As you can check out, this is ready to fit out project with OC received. Now about the marketing office. So the marketing office is just inside in the ground floor itself, where the sales team will guide you about the project. Now let's discuss the project overview. So Phoenix Kasaku will be constructed on total 17 acres of land parcel with single iconic tower with 3 basement, ground plus 30 floors, having 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK, 4 BHK, 4.5 BHK, 5 BHK and goes up to 8 BHK sky bungalows, including simplex and duplex premium residencies. And now one more thing, this single tower is divided into 5 theme-based wings. And now let me show you which are the wings. Sora, the sky, which has a sky that is cloud-based interior work done. And you can again check out the lobby space. Now this is Neva, which refers to the earth. So it has a green interior work done. As per the earthy greenery theme. And now we are here at Mizu, and the color speaks out for itself. So it's a water-based theme. And the Mizu refers to the water. You can again check out the space over here. The lobby area. Isn't it beautiful? And this is fire. That means the fire in Japan. You can check out the beautiful and the spacious lobby, which is as per the fire theme. This is the waiting area. That is the lounge area. And now we are here at Zephyr. Zephyr refers to air that is body, and this way has touch and this way has air interior. And check out the space area. This is the lobby space. Now coming to the location part, so this project is exactly located bang on Dr. Rajkumar Road in Rajaji Nagar, West Bangalore. So let me show you the Dr. Rajkumar Road. So this is the Dr. Rajkumar Road, and this road over the side will take you towards Yashwantpur, and our opposite side will take you towards Benipete. Now, about the further connectivity and location of the project, one more USP of the project is this project is exactly opposite to Orion Mall and WTC, that is World Trade Center. Reliance Smart Bazaar is 400 meters away from the location. Sandal Soap Factory Metro Station is 500 meters. Now let's discuss the amenities part. Phoenix Kasaku provides you world-class amenities with 3 large grand clubhouses. One of them is Club 1. And this clubhouse includes world-class amenities like of indoor game, business center, mini theater, 2-lane bowling alley, clinic, saloon, temperature control pool and many more. And now we'll be entering into Midori, the Garden Club, which is spread across 25,000 square feet And this includes multiple amenities like of the reading area, cafeteria, music room, meeting room, lounge, golf stimulation zone, experience center. Here is the sitting area, including the garden area, swimming pool. And now at this side is the kids play area, indoor games like table tennis and many more. Third one is Kazi, the Sky Clubhouse, 360-degree jogging track with a mesmerizing city view, gym, yoga deck, infinity pool, kids pool, spa, business corner, mini theater, party hall, as well as a sky cafe where you can enjoy your evening with a city view. And now we are here in fire, which means fire, and this is the lobby space once you enter over here. This is your 4.5 BHK of 4,269 square feet super built up area. And now your main entrance start from here. You can even add up a security door for your security purpose. This is the lobby space and the main entrance with the video door phone. And now again we'll enter. Again, there's a slight lobby space for your privacy, and from here we are going to enter towards your beautiful and spacious living and dining area. You can even check out the space over here, the ample of space. This is your living area where they have added up the couch, that is a sofa set, which is again connected to a beautiful deck area. This is a deck area with wooden finishing ceramic tiles, and this is totally completely wooden. And now let me show you. This is the toughened glass railing and you can enjoy the beautiful scenic view of the city. Now let's move further towards your dining area. So as you can check out this space, you can cover up and add up your own decor. And a beautiful and spacious dining area is over here. So you can check out your dining area. And here you can check out, here is the Italian marble flooring in your living and dining area. Now let's move out further. So this space you can check out, here they have added up a bar counter and you can add your own space. Once you enter your kitchen area, you can check out the beautiful interior work over here. You can check out the platforms, the cabinets, the serving platform as well. And this is the full-fledged window. Now moving further towards your utility area. So this is your utility area and you can check out here the flooring is anti-skid tiles. Here you'll be getting the anti-skid tiles. And now this is the maid's quarter. Once you enter here, you can check out the bed space, the enough bed space, with the wardrobe space, the window, and even with attached washroom. This is the washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings as well. One thing I would like to mention over here, this side is a separate access for the servant only. Now we'll be moving further towards your bedroom space. So just follow me. Walking through your kitchen area towards your bedroom space. So walking through your dining and the living area. We'll be moving further towards your bedroom. So all the bedrooms are on this side, but your guest bedroom is on the other side of your house. So let me show you the guest bedroom. This is the entrance, and once you enter, you can check out the beautiful and the space over here. You can check out the bed space, even a separate space, the couch space. You can add up a couch or anything else as per your choice. A window for ventilation and lighting purpose. An attached washroom. Again, this washroom is much more spacious with marble flooring, shower glass partition, and CP sanitary fittings. Now let's move out further towards your another bedroom. Now again walking through your living and dining area. Moving out towards another room. So this is your another room. You can check out, this is a family lounge area, the family room, where you can add up your couch, you can add up different things over here as per your choice. Where they have even given you a powder room. So this is a powder room with marble flooring and CP sanitary fittings. Now about your bedroom number 3, that is your kids' bedroom. So this side is the entrance and you can check out the layout. It's beautiful and spacious again with the bed space, the study table, the workspace, the wardrobe space and the washroom as well. This is your spacious washroom with marble flooring, CP sanitary fittings and the shower glass partition. Now let's move further towards your master bedroom. Before that, let me introduce you with all the features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features under one platform, and that is www.housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Register for free and schedule your free site visit. Now before moving further, let me show you the window space. So even here is the window space for ventilation and lighting purpose. One thing to add up over here they have provided the wooden finishing flooring. And now your master bedroom is on this side. Once you enter, you can check out the beautiful master bedroom and with the deck as well. Even once you enter the deck area, you can check out the flooring. This is wooden ceramic tiles. And now you can check out, here's the gardening area. Here you can add up your plantation. This deck area is with toughened glass railing and you can enjoy again a beautiful scenic view. Here comes the bed space, the couch area once again and the wardrobe space. And again with the attached washroom with marble flooring, CP sanitary fittings and shower glass partition. So this was all about your 4.5 BHK and this project. How was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And lastly, if you're looking for more information of this project, all is provided in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.